Hello, I'm Dr. Christopher Calapai, and thank you for looking at my website. This next video is one of a patient with a severe debilitating disease called Parkinson's disease. I'll let he and his wife tell you the results they've had after one stem cell therapy.
My name is Mary Surowitz. I'm a registered pharmacist, and my husband is also a pharmacist. And we are here to give you our story about his journey through Parkinson's disease. We've done mostly the alternative route and used very little medication. But recently, he went from walking normally to a walker and now a wheelchair. When I've been researching stem cell therapy for the past 4 years, and I went online and I came across Dr. Calapai's website, and actually Tom's cousin actually called me too and told me that he had listened to his radio show and that he was doing stem cell therapy. So I immediately called the office and we made arrangements to have him have the procedure. And it's been 4 months. He had it on April 21st. And within 15 minutes of the procedure, when we left the building, he was telling me how much better his eyesight was and that his brain fog had lifted. He also told me that he felt a lot, he was already starting to feel more energetic. This was within like not even an hour of the procedure. When we got home that evening, we really didn't believe, my daughter and I didn't really believe that all of this could have happened so fast. So he picked up a magazine and he started to read without his reading glasses, and he was able to read the fine print. Now I was pretty much a believer. Then we sat down to dinner and he couldn't hold the fork normally for at least 2 or 3 years. And while he was eating, I noticed that he was eating a normal way. And I was staring at him, and he kept saying to me, "What are you looking at? I'm trying to eat. Would you please stop staring at me?" And I said, "I'm not staring at you because you're eating. I'm staring at you at how you're eating." And he looked down at his hand and he goes, "Oh my God, I'm holding the fork the right way." And he had absolutely no idea. So after supper, I decided to see if he could walk with a walker, because he had been mostly in a wheelchair. And when he tried to walk with a walker, it was with small shuffling steps, and he couldn't really walk very far. And lo and behold, he managed to walk down the corridor, taking normal strides. And this was on the same day of the therapy. By the next day, he was able to shower, shave, and dress himself, which he hadn't been able to do since the previous November. And he did it without very little effort. It normally would take him, and on a good day, to shower, it would take him almost 2 hours. To shave would take almost an hour. And he couldn't dress himself. And by the second day, it took him 20 minutes to shave and a little bit longer to shower. And he dressed himself from head to toe. And it's been quite a progression since April, and we're seeing more and more improvements as time goes on.
I've had Parkinson's for the past 12 years. And I had the stem cell therapy initially done on April 21st of this year. Prior to that, I was in a wheelchair because I had fallen and broken a rib. I had difficulty with my balance. I couldn't walk. Since I had the stem cell therapy, I've been able to switch over to a walker, as well as a cane occasionally, for up and down the stairs. I found that I can improve my handwriting, as well as the tremors are getting fewer and far between. The episodes are getting fewer and far between. My balance is also improving, and my sense of smell is beginning to come back slowly too, over a period of time. And I'm able to walk a lot better, taking normal strides when I walk with the walker. My balance is getting better, and my appetite has certainly improved too. The injection for the xylocaine, which is to prevent pain, allows the doctor to proceed and get the stem cells from the pelvic area. The first day was completely painless. The second day I had some minor discomfort, Before the stem cell therapy, I was using glutathione infusion once a week. I've eliminated that completely from my regimen. I've cut down on my Cinemet to about 4 tablets a day from 6. And I've also been cutting down on the pain supplements and the anti-inflammatory supplements. My sleeping got more restful also. I was getting up about 4 or 5 times a night between using the bathroom and just getting up, waking up. I'm able to sleep through the night now, maybe getting up once or twice at most. So that's improved drastically. That seems to be improving every day. There's some days I don't get up at night. Make it right through the whole night. But when I do get up, I don't get up with the tremors like I did before the stem cell therapy. I needed help to get out of bed, to get up from sleeping position, reclining position. I had a bell in the room to call for help. But since then, I'm able to get up myself now.